Three types of people will be watching this video, and you will fall into one of these three type categories. First type of person will be super excited because they've been waiting for the official release of Milwaukee's M12 non-metallic cable stapler. They're like, give me mine. Never fear, links in the description to score you one. The second type of person is like, wow, I love Milwaukee Tool. I didn't even realize they had a cable stapler in the oven. Well, the buzzer just rang and it's ready. And this is what it'll do for you. It has an LED work light, reversible belt clip, battery fuel gauge, movable cable guides, staple viewing window, dry fire lockout, weighs 4.6 pounds, bare tool, has a 3-year warranty, works with Milwaukee 1-inch insulated cable staples, and can be used on single, non-metallic, 14-2, 14-3, 12-2, 12-3, 10-2, 10-3, double stack, non-metallic, 14-2, 14-3, 12-2, 12-3, 10-2, low voltage cables such as Cat 3, Cat 5, and coax. It's available in a kit with a battery and a charger for pre-sale right now, and Milwaukee is saying it should ship the end of June. It's a first come, first serve type of gig, so don't miss out. Link is in the description. Make sure to use the code FREESHIP in the cart for free shipping, and as long as you spend over $99, you should be good. You will spend over $99. And finally, the third type of person's like, I already have the DeWalt.